Dude, I need a fucking haircut. What is this mop? Why does my hair grow so fast, but it's not thick? That's what I would like to know. Why isn't my hair fucking thick? Like my fucking ass. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am so excited to be filming this fucking video. Why do I sound so crazy hyper right now and look crazy hyper? I also just look crazy. Hi, by the way, I am sick. So if I look a little weird or if I'm not as peppy as I usually am, it's because I'm a little sick right now actually, and it kind of sucks. For the past like couple days I've had a fever, and I've had diarrhea, so it's not fun. Today is the day that I've had my fever went down the most in comparison, so I'm like, I can film something today. Like, I'm not a failure. I wanted to film a following tutorial, and I thought it'd be really fun to do a trying to recreate Kylie Jenner's Vogue makeup tutorial. I thought it was really fun. I actually just watched the video yesterday, and I thought it was super cute, and I was like, oh, Kylie like doing her makeup, and I love her voice. It's very, very, very soothing to me.
I feel like this year is really about like the year of just realizing stuff.
It's like a really, really cute video. I don't know if you guys have seen it. Of course, I will link it down below. I wanted to do a recreation of this look exactly, or just try and like follow her tutorial and see if I can recreate that exact look or something similar to it. But anyways, you guys, that's what today's video is going to be. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. You don't have to watch my video if you don't like me. But if you're watching, you like, even if you're a hater, like, you low-key like me because you're still watching my fucking content. But if you guys do like this video, go ahead and click like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, let's go and get right into this trying to follow Kylie Jenner's tutorial video.
Hey guys, it's Kylie for anyone who doesn't know.
Bitch, who doesn't know? Who doesn't know? It's Kylie.
I start with my brows. I already moisturized and put chapstick on.
So we do brow pencil first. Oh my god, Kylie, you're moving quick! Quick! Oh my god, she literally did the brows in 2 seconds. She used a brow pencil. Ah, give me a second, bitch. Give me a fucking second. I mean, the video is only 10 minutes long, so honestly, we can just assume there's gonna be a lot of pausing and a lot of Manny catch the fuck up. Okay, so I have no idea what brow pencil Kylie used. It was like such a quick moment. So I'm just gonna take the Benefit Precisely brow pencil. Do it like how she did it. You know, like a quick fill. Okay, cool. So we have the brow on with just pencil.
I conceal right underneath to shape the brow. And
Okay.
then apply it all over my lid as like a base for my eyeshadow.
Oh, she primes.
Face powder.
You're too quick, Kylie. Give me a second. So we're gonna do what she just did. We're gonna take concealer and we're gonna do it underneath the brow bone or underneath the brows to shape them, which is something I always do myself too, which is not anything too different for me. And then we're gonna go and take that concealer. I wanna put that as our base, like Kylie said, as our primer. This one I'm just taking the NARS matte and the one that's in the little pot. I'm taking this on a Morphe M421. Favorite little like detail flat brush. Also, I find it so fascinating that Kylie does her eyes first. I'm not that person. I don't do eyes first. I'm the type of person that does the full face and base first, and then I work on the eyes after. But she's not like that, so it's a little shooky. Take a little bit of face powder and set that base. And we got the eyes primed and we are set in place. Kylie, what are we doing next, sweetheart? I did that. Eyeshadow next.
One of my new palettes. I'm going in with some of the matte shade.
I'm just taking a large fluffy brush.
I'm just pretty much like shaping my eye today.
Frame the eye with the neutral shade. I'm gonna have to literally click like rewind a billion times on this.
I'm just gonna do kind of like a simple eye today because
Shaping your eye, okay.
I'm not trying to be too crazy. I test out most of my stuff on Jordan because we live together, so I'm like,
Oh, they live together. That's so cute.
now I'm gonna go in with this darker brown. Kind of gives me
What, darker
more of,
brown?
like,
Okay,
a
hold on.
crease.
A cut crease? Girl, that's not a cut crease. No shade. No shade. That's not a cut crease. I don't really have a darker brown in my new palette though, so we're just gonna finesse.
My new favorite gold shade. It's perfect for the summer. And I'm gonna just take it on my finger because I feel like that just works best sometimes.
Hold on. I'm still working on cutting our crease. I have a little dry patch on my eye right now. Do you guys see it? It's right there. A little dry patch. Her new favorite gold shade. She's taking a goldish shade.
Just take it on my finger because I feel
Okay.
like it just works best.
Same.
sometimes.
Okay, gold with a copper
I think I'm gonna do
hint.
something a little crazy.
I can finesse that as
Juicy.
well. Okay. Oh, bitch. All over it with your finger like you said. I'm listening to you, Kylie. I'm doing what you said. Do I look like you yet? No, I don't. So she's taking a shimmery orange. She's putting it into her tear duct.
That's amazing. And then I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just.
Okay, she
wipe
took a
the
shimmery
excess.
orange into her tear duct. I don't have a shimmery orange. Most brands don't have shimmery oranges. We'll take a rose gold. That's what we can do. That looks sickening. It's not obviously orange like Kylie's is, but it's still very pretty. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go finish the other eye off of camera and I'll be right back. Okay, what's next?
That's why I do
Taking a makeup
my
wipe.
foundation
Why?
After eyeshadow falls down, and then your face isn't cute anymore. Oh, I just found these Marc Jacobs Fantasy Dewdrops.
Okay, I have those.
That.
Where are you at?
Foundation brush. Just mix it around.
2. Oh shit. Oh shit. Kylie is moving real fast. Okay, foundation brush. Mix it together. Okay.
I'm gonna clip my hair up.
I don't have any hair to clip. It is what it is.
I like my freckles to show through my makeup. I know it looks like I'm putting like loads on, but I blend it out really good so that it doesn't look too heavy. Always take it down to my neck.
That's something I need to learn to do. I don't have any freckles to be shown.
Loose eyeshadow. My mom always
Okay, she's using a beauty blender now. Now I can.
My mom always let me be creatively wild and go to my 6th grade class with purple eyeshadow and...
Did she really? That's fucking cool. My mom did not let me go to 6th grade with eyeshadow.
Okay, once I'm done blending this out like crazy, I'm gonna take the same foundation.
Okay, sweetie, I'm not done. You need to give me a second. You need to give me a second. How do you put foundation between the brows when the brows are already done? How do you do that? I can't do eyes first. This is fucking weird. I don't like it. I want to go home. Okay, so that's that. We're gonna let that dry down, I suppose. We're gonna do whatever Kylie says, because Kylie is on Vogue and I'm not.
And line the top of my brows since I did my brows before.
Okay, taking your foundation. Okay.
I like to mix my concealers because I like to use a pinkier one and a beigier one.
I don't really need to line mine.
I used to conceal my forehead, but I don't do that anymore because I feel like when you have like a cakey forehead, it gets...
Oh, she has concealer on. She went in. Okay, patting it in. Patting it in. We'll take her concealer. I'm still concealing. She put it right here. She put it right here. None on the forehead. We saw that. Hers is so peachy undertoned. This is really white. Do I need to mix something in here? We're gonna go ahead and take ivory and mix that one in. None on the forehead. Are you sure, Kylie? None on the forehead? Because I need it. Okay, and we're gonna blend that out. And she brought that shit all the way back, honey. She brought it all the way back to her temples. She said, drag her. Can I just do it like a dot there or something? Fuck.
So I'm gonna use Kim's setting powder.
I don't have it. Okay, I'm taking the Maybelline Loose Fit Me setting powder. I'm gonna put that underneath the eyes, put that underneath here, and that's gonna be our Kim powder. This powder is really great. It's very, very brightening. If you don't have money for the Kim one, check out the Maybelline Loose powder. This is in the shade 05. Kat introduced it to me, and I've been using it, honestly, ever since. So, thank you, Kat, my sweet little princess. And let's go ahead and use a face powder for the rest of the face. So Kylie went ahead and she set the rest of her face, which I'm very happy to see. I honestly didn't think she was going to, and I was a little scared. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared. I was like, she's not gonna set her face. She's not gonna set her face. Honestly, I'm not looking terrible.
Like naturally really fair skin, and I can't ever like get a tan.
Same. Woo! Bronzer.
I'm just gonna go right under my cheekbone.
Right under the cheekbone.
For my face, I place my contour mainly like right at the edge, and then I kind of like blend it out.
Side of her forehead, she leaves the temples clear. All right. Oh, she bakes. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bronze up the skin. We're gonna bronze up the skin. And so I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs bronzer, and she likes to focus her bronzer at the edge out here, mostly. I went in with a little bit of a heavy hand and blends it a little downwards, around. So she does her forehead next, up here. Okay, but she doesn't hit the temples at all. It's like by the hairline, and then she leaves this area clear. But she has a cute ass fucking forehead. I have a man one. You know what's so funny? Like, I used to get this all the time that I looked like Kylie. I don't say it literally at all, but like people would say that I would look like boyish Kylie because of how I would overdraw my lips. I mean, if y'all see it, that's cool with me. Okay, so like this. So we have everything open, and then she did it on the, right here, like the 3. She was saying a 3. Take a little bit down the jawline. And then we take our baking powder, and she's gonna go ahead and bake underneath the bronzer, which of course I don't need to do this because I do have facial hair and I don't put foundation down here, but we're gonna do it for the sake of this video, even though it's literally pointless for me. And a little stamp right there for perfection. What's next, Kylie? What do you do next?
I can't do my makeup without baking. I think it really does help. And for anyone who doesn't know what it is, baking actually, like, it's like powder is like soaking in to your skin, leaving like a residue of color. So I'm like trying to
residue of color.
So it just shapes my face. I hope that was a great explanation.
I mean, technically, she's right. It's definitely just giving you a brighter appearance. I don't know about a residue. That's probably not the right word, but definitely leaves you a color behind when you wipe away setting powder. Gives you a little bit of summer shampoo. Yeah, okay, so now she's using lip liner. Oh my god, okay. She does things out of order from what I do, and this is not.
Full lip with lip liner. I think I can do it with my eyes closed.
What? Hold on, we're pausing her because I need to see what she's talking about. Okay, we found lip liner. We actually found a kind of genitive thing. So she's gonna do a lip liner.
Color my whole lip with lip liner. I think I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, bitch, she's literally lining her lips with her eyes closed.
Pretty good. It was actually a funny story. My mom.
I'm gonna try. That's not too bad. That's a little more rough. It's a little bit easier for her because she has lip filler and like you can feel the edges of the lip filler, I feel. That's not being shady, that's just being factual. Okay, this is so out of order. And we're back.
Did her lip liner in the car real quick. We were actually at Disney World with my whole family a long time ago. And she
We look the
selected
same.
her black eyeliner instead of her lip liner, and she lined her lips with black eyeliner.
Oh, Chris, you're so funny. I love Kris Jenner, by the way.
I'm using Nova lipstick
Nova.
today.
No tengo Nova. No tengo. It's a nude lipstick. Tea. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take butterscotch instead. That's gonna be our lipstick of choice. Just give us a little bit of an ombre, like something subtle. I feel like we're really getting along and I'm feeling my fucking Kylie fantasy.
Kylie lip kit trademarked like 2 years before it even launched, and I was like bugging my mom about it. I see it, like I need to do this. She was like, okay, put up your own money. Like, stop talking about the lip kit. And then I didn't even order a lot. My mom was like, okay, if this doesn't work out, you're gonna have like a lot of lip kits in your garage. I didn't even make it to my launch party. I like refreshed the page, and in 2 seconds, everything was gone. And like, I just remember me and all
That's
my
fucking
friends,
crazy.
we were like screaming. And then the Kylie Instagram used to be Kylie Lip Kit, and then the day after I changed it to Kylie Cosmetics, and I was like, this is like gonna be something like I can actually do.
That's really cool.
So now I'm gonna do shade my under eyes.
Ah,
I'm gonna
good,
go
good, good.
in again
I need to do
with
that too. Okay, she's using eyeshadow underneath her
I feel
eyes.
like this just like completes.
It does. It sure does.
Do something a little crazy and take Juicy, the orange color again, and drag it underneath.
Oh, she's mirror. She's oh. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna use those top shades on the bottom. How fucking cool and crazy is it that Kylie like started with her lip kits? Of course, she started off with 3 lip kits, and then it's turned into this insane company that she has now. Like that's crazy. I mean, yes, does she have a lot of resources starting off? Of course, because I mean, she is Kylie Jenner. They're gonna have a little bit more resources than most people, but at the end of the day, the products did sell. Regardless, they sold. So that's incredible. I mean, that's every brand's goal. Okay, so I'm not gonna do lashes just yet because I don't know exactly what she's continuing on. I know that she has individuals on, but in case she applies mascara and shit, I don't know. I am gonna apply some blush, and I actually have Barely Legal blush myself. This is the only blush of hers from her entire blush collection that I kept. So I'm gonna use that one.
Next, I love this pink color.
It's like a pinky
I
blush.
smile, so I know where to put it. I put a little like on my forehead too, and like my chin. And I guess my nose. I just love blush, and
I like blush a lot too, but she's putting that shit everywhere. Okay.
and just wipe this off.
I'm smiling like her.
Black mascara on top.
She did do mascara. I fucking knew it.
It's actually like against the rules in lash worlds to mascara your lashes.
Mascara your
I
lashes.
use brown on the bottom because I don't like too much mascara on the bottom, so this just gives me more of like a
A
subtle.
little bit on the nose, she said. It's a little bit too pink on the nose. Oh my god. It is so fascinating to see some people's routines and like what order they do things in, because I would never do like this and the routine that she did it, you know? It's like way crazy. Wait, I forgot to contour my nose. A very subtle nose contour, nothing crazy, just something subtle for the kids. Okay, great. So this is basically it so far.
Now I'm gonna do some highlighter.
She's doing highlighter?
I'm using Salted Caramel, my fave. I like to use a small brush when I highlight because I
Small
just
brush?
like to be like precise. I use my finger because I think it helps like blend it in. It doesn't look too powdery either.
A little on her chin.
I'm gonna try one of my new glosses and see if this works out.
Girl, you're going way too quick. Give me a second. Okay, we're gonna go into highlight using this precise brush. I mean, this is just a blending brush. This is the M511. I'd rather just use a highlighting brush, but it is what it is. Finger. She's doing gloss. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and apply a gloss real quick. Color pop, slowly, wham. Brow gel.
Some of this product. Like all the product on
Okay.
first. Extra blush, always at the end. Blush doesn't work for everybody, but it just makes me like just feel amazing. It just
She looks hella cute in blush though, so she should
like,
keep going with that.
cool.
Okay, more blush then? Fuck, okay.
Because I feel like spraying just makes your makeup look better in person and less powdery.
True. Look at Kylie knowing things. Spray.
Makeup, but then once it dries, it looks better. All right, well that is my beat face Bye, guys.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna go back to Kylie. Give me one fucking second. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on because her lashes look so much nicer and longer and much more intense than mine do naturally. The base is basically done, but we're gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. Mine suck. Mine fucking suck. I'm gonna have a fucking BF. What's a BF? A bitch, man. We're gonna take Miami's because Miami's make the world go round. And that's just, it is what it is. I'm so blushed the fuck up today and I kind of lit. Now we have a lash on. This is looking much more Kylie-esque. Now, officially, my conspiracy. Okay, let's go look at the final look. Let's see what Kylie finally looks like and let's see if I'm even somewhat close.
That is my beat face. Bye, guys.
Okay, so that's her face right there. Mine's a little more dramatic. I'm not gonna lie, my makeup's a little bit more drag than hers is, but I feel like we got somewhere close. I think I look sickening. And that's it, you guys. This is the look. This is Miss Kylie. Miss Jen. And that is it, you guys. That's it for today's video. I just thought it would be really fun to do a following Kylie Jenner's tutorial from Vogue. I thought it would be really funny and just to see how I could do something similar to hers. And I feel like it turned out pretty similar. Definitely not like that similar, especially with like the lower lash line, bitch, where. But it was just fun and I kind of wanted to follow along and see what her routine is. And it is actually so vastly different from mine. It's like crazy to see someone else's routine and what order they go in and doing things. Mine, I always do my base first and then I finish off with the eyes and then I do the lips and I'm done. So it's like very fascinating to see other people's routines and I'm like shocked. Yeah, you guys, that's what today's video was. Hope you guys had fun watching. I had so much fun creating it. I really need to knock the fuck out and sleep because I have a meeting in the morning and I know I'm sick, but I can't fucking miss it. But anyways, you guys, hope you guys get straight A's. You know, hope you guys graduate. Hope you guys get a promotion, dick, whatever it is that you want in your life right now. I hope you guys get it. Okay, I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I love you. Mwah. I don't know what it is. I got bit by a mosquito in fucking Miami, and I don't know if it has anything to do with that, but as soon as I got bit the day after, I had flu-like symptoms. That's fucking weird. Call me a hypochondriac, but like that's hella weird. All jokes aside, there really has been outbreaks of Zika in Miami with mosquitoes, so I'm like literally like I was really scared for a minute, but it's gonna be fine. I'll be good. It's like halo blurry. It's so pretty. All this foundation in my hair over here, Jesus. So now that I'm looking like a pasty ass bitch, does that lip liner look heavier? Huh? Oh my god, I look like Cher with her soft, subtle little voice. Her voice is so soothing. It's so like, you know?